Hey there, I'm Heather, and this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
Today we've got this beautiful oasis right in the heart of Panama City, Florida. You're right off 231 near Winn-Dixie and Publix, right around the corner from 23rd Street and everything you need. I can't wait to show you this adorable cam bed home. So welcome into this beautiful home. What you've got is you've got all of the living space, nice expansive living room that feeds right into the dining room and kitchen on this lower level, as well as your laundry and a half bath for guests. In a second, we'll go upstairs and check out the bedrooms. But look how much space you have here. You've got your island seating, these quartz countertops, and this beautiful updated backsplash, as well as the cabinetry. And I mean, it flows right into the dining area. There's plenty of space for your family. Welcome to the upstairs. We're gonna start here in this perfect little landing spot. It could be a second living room for the older kids. It could be a playroom for the younger kids. But I wanted you to see this amazing space. Right around the corner from the landing is the main ensuite. Absolutely love this room. Look how spacious it is. You've got the tray ceiling and updated coloring. And you know I love a barn door that leads right into this ensuite. With these dual sinks, you've got your shower and tub combo, and I love such a large closet. This one's walk-in, and you could just have all the room that you need. Upstairs offers all 3 bedrooms, but it's in a split floor plan, so that's perfect. Let's check out the other rooms. So for more information on this beautiful property, look in the description below. We've got the listing link there for you, and give us a call. Don't forget, subscribe to our channel, thebeachshow.com, and ring that bell so you don't miss out on any more adorableness like this.